Hey everyone, Keith Katz, Quality Service Center. It's my job to make sure that you all are informed about these special holidays, and so we have a really special one today. It's National Peanut Butter Day, and there are all kinds of peanut butters out there. There's creamy peanut butter, there's crunchy, but look at that. Me, I like the extra crunchy with all the peanuts in it. That's like the best. And you know, they do a lot of things with peanut butter. You got your Reese's peanut butter cups. You now have M&Ms that have peanut butter in them. Peanut butter on celery, peanut butter and jelly. I mean, all kinds of things you can do with peanut butter. So I think it's definitely a day to celebrate. But anybody that really knows me well, knows that anything that ends in pie is the best. And so we have, look at that, peanut butter pie. And let me tell you, I just can't wait to get my face into that pie. It's gonna be so good.
Let me help with that.
Well, National Peanut Butter Pie Day. Well, it's peanut butter. Anyway, hope you have a great day. Take care now.